Task managers are websites or applications you can use to create a list of tasks, edit together the list, and let people know via app notification or email notification about updates to the task lists. We can set assignments, set deadlines, and get notified when a task is completed. We can leave notes under each task and let the rest of the team know if help is needed or if the task is proceeding accordingly to the plan. We can also add commentaries, specify how our task should be executed. The advantage of a cooperative task manager is that we can always have an overview of what's happening, what is being done. Obviously, the task manager works as long as we use it regularly. We check in with it and we check what is to do. It sounds like an extra layer of complexity. In reality, having a clear overview of everything and having always a list of what is to do next is a big help in delivering the project. To access the task list, visit asana.com. On the bottom right, you have a list of the projects you are participating in. Let's change the page, it's there in the list as you've been added. The first page that will pop up is the overview. It's actually a less useful page than it sounds. You can find assignees to the general project and have a list of the milestones. It's a page you shouldn't bother much with. The most important page is the list. Once you enter the list, you will see a list of categories. Each category contains a series of tasks. Tasks can contain subtasks that are necessary for the completion. Every task or subtask can have a name, an assignee, a start date and a due date, a priority and a status, where you can indicate how urgent it is and what is the status of the work. You can, for example, inform the rest of the team that the task is stuck or that is on track. To mark a task as complete, click on the V next to it. There are two kinds of tasks. Tasks and milestones. Tasks have a start date and a due date. Milestones have just a due date, and they're usually used to mark important moments in the project. To create a new task, just go to the right category and click Add the task. Write the name of the task. And then, if you need further details, click on Details on the right. On the Details panel, you can add subtasks if necessary. You can add a description, comment on the task, review the assignees, the due date, etc. To close the detail page, just click on the small arrow. If you want to facilitate the work of others, you can link a Google Drive file to the task list. Open the details, click on the link icon, click on Google Drive and select the file. The file will appear in the details of the task and also in the Files panel of Asana. File linked in this way can be opened directly from Asana. It's not a necessary step, but it can facilitate access sometimes. Asana is a free-to-use platform, but there are some limits. We cannot have more than 15 people working on the same project, and we do not have access to some more advanced panels. Paid features are not necessary for a project of this scale, but just to show them, one feature is the board display or the timeline display or the calendar display. These are all different ways to see the tasks. And there is a dashboard that gives an overview of what's going on. Thank you.